Hello my people wey dey watch me. I dey greet una, I dey say I dey hear una. I dey thank una as una dey watch me o. See this our sister with im man o, dem dey hala theirself for road. Now I say my only me I cannot show see this thing alone. I say make I bring am come make una see.
Even the woman get belle, see with your husband, you dey disgrace yourself. Nigeria people wey dem no get shame. Dem no fit settle theirself for outside. Sister, wetin dey happen na? Na for settle all this thing for house na. Sister, wetin dey happen? No, I no video. I dey ask you wetin dey happen na.
Make everybody watch.
I no video na.
Before you comot, you fuck am or you no fuck am. Yes, am. You fuck me, you no fuck me. You fuck me. Who don't get the belle? Now give me belle, oh.
See,
when I
travel, I travel go Malta, I go work. When I talk.
Okay.
My friend call me say there is someone on that man for house. Now 9 months I spent for there. How many months did this belle?
This belle dey 8 months. I dey be 9 months.
Okay, now your belly.
When you comot,
Now you fuck.
na 7 months. Now you dey there, not be 9
Now
months.
you fuck. You fuck or you not fuck.
Na 9 months. Which kind 9 months?
Okay, now my friend.
Which
You
kind
fuck or
9
you not
months?
fuck. Yeah, you think say now you do.
Oh, where you dey go?
Come carry
Where
your
you dey go?
Because I don't buy motor. I don't buy motor.
When you dey suffer, this day stand for
I
you.
don't dey there. When
Now
you
she
come
stand
na
for
house
you.
you dey o. Na house you
Stay
dey.
your house.
I beg. See how they disgrace yourself. Another man belle.
Na you give me belle.
Shut up.
Na you give me the belle.
Another man.
People say she dey video me. You no concern me. Na she give me the belle. Na you give me the
Another
belle.
man pikin na wan give me. That's what they do for Europe.
Na you sleep
Europe
with-
girls. The Europe girls. That's what they do.
I don't blame you.
Another man pikin na
You
she wan
dey
give
deny the
me.
belle. You
Yeah.
dey deny the belle.
See this one, you don't know yourself. You get man they talk to me anyhow.
Okay, you fuck or you not fuck.
You fuck am, you no fuck.
Now you get picky. You come carry your responsibility.
Give me a motor key. Give me a
Which
motor key.
I
motor
don't
key?
give you.
You no go
You
collect
dey
the
with
key.
me. I
Give me a
don't
car
collect.
key.
Collect the key.
I don't collect. I don't come out.
Give me a car key.
I
No
don't
give her that key. Na you give me the belle.
Tell your friend give me a car key.
You no go give me that car key. How you tell me say
When I never buy motor, when I dey suffer.
Forget motor. Na house you
Na so
dey.
they do oh.
Na house now you dey.
Once they dey Europe, they see say the boy don dey better, don dey progress. Una come dey carry people belle.
I dey suffer. I dey wait make you come. You dey tell me no. I go remove the belle. Now I go remove 7 months belle.
Not my pikin.
Now I go remove 7 months. Okay, why you not be apply? Why you show me go remove?
People dey call me, I dey see your wife with another man.
Na you
I
give
dey
the
see your
man for
wife.
me.
See your
When you
life.
come and you see man for my house. When you come, you see man.
That trouser when I still get am.
Who's trouser? Who's trouser?
See am. I see one trouser. Who get this trouser? Who get this trouser? Who get these boxers? What do you talk?
Which bosses?
You want to say na me get am? Me. I don't know wetin I buy. I see trouser, I see boxers. We say at my house. Don't make get the belle.
Ask when that house where you rent. Now, since when you come out, my papa dey
Give my car key, madam.
Okay, I know they give you car key.
Give my car key.
I know they give you any car key. Carry your responsibility.
I will call police.
When you never anything, now this girl, now she come for you. Now she dey help you. Now that your leg don better, she don change your
May I
leg
call
now.
police? May I call police? You
don dey get mad.
You want the weakness, oh. If police come, you will
Now you
talk.
give me the belle, oh.
Carry your responsibility.
May I call police?
Now you give me the belle.
Carry your responsibility.
How you give me belle?
When
You
you
say
see say
that
na
you
you go
belle.
take care of this baby.
Madam, come on, man, don't slap you.
Okay, try am. Carry your
You give me
responsibility.
belle, you tell me say,
Like the
now I go
mother
remove
of your
her.
baby.
Now I go remove the belle.
Like the mother of your baby. He carry your baby.
You
Now
know,
go remove
When
the
you
belle.
see say na you dey go.
Now go let go remove the belle. Now so you don't want to do that, give my belle, they go dey deny am. You go dey deny am.
run talk.
Tell the police. Now yourself you want call police for. You
Run
want call
talk.
your police for yourself.
Io problema qua, donna, c'è, come si chiama? What do you call it here? You speak English? You speak English? Hello.
They say that you come and you no go do DNA test. You say you know they do.
When I call police,
You know they do DNA test. But you say that be your belle. Now you get time.
how is police there?
You go do the DNA
No,
test.
make
You
police
say
come.
no.
Make police come. Don't
I
touch
got
me.
the belle. That one concern me.
Give me a car key.
Okay, I know they give you.
No,
You
no,
know they go and move
I will
you.
blow you.
Carry your responsibility.
You don't do
Carry
belle.
your responsibility. You be
You
man.
don't do
Are you
belle.
not a man, no?
Not me with belle now.
Oh, that man picking.
You shall not have a
Why you dey fuck her? You fuck her, you not fuck her.
No, no, no.
You fuck her, you not fuck her. Talk to me.
You don't talk with you. You don't know see apple. No, you talk. You
You are my friend. I need to talk.
tell your friend that you don't need to give out the
Are
leg.
you giving me belle?
Now you
My people wey dey watch you, una don see wetin happen. See as dem dey disgrace theirself for outside though. Now I carry the story come. I say make I show una this our sisters wey dey pick dirty, twins. Dem dey pick dirty for road. Oh my God. God will bless you people. You see as dem dey hustle, dey work very hard for theirself. Tomorrow, see as dem dey pick all this Coca-Cola rubber, all these things. They are picking it and putting for this thing for sack and inside their motor dey sell. Na wetin dem dey use dey survive. Now I say I come happy say na so the thing be. Na so the thing be. I come say oh God, na so life be. God go bless them. God go bless them. You know say I dey talk say woman make we dey find something do, find something be doing for ourselves. See how these girls dem dey hustle. Tomorrow now somebody go come now wey dey don get money. You go see all these people. They go dey jealous. They go dey vex say they don pass them. See as dem dey suffer now, nobody see them o. Nobody see them. See as dem dey hustle by themselves. Dey pick all this rubber, dey sell. Na wetin be their work. Abeg, make we fit see help to help people. Make we dey try to help. The one wey go help o, wey be say the one wey no go give us wahala o, because e get help wey person go help for this life. You go say na you use your hand go carry trouble come for yourself. So if you dey help, make you know the kind people wey dey help. You see as these girls dem dey hustle so, you go know say na very good people wey dey hustle. Two twins, they are just picking rubber, picking a lot of things, be selling. I say as I see am like this, I say make I tell my people wetin dey happen. I don carry another story come o. This thing wey una dey see so na boys wey dey pass iki na so dey hide inside cushion, na so dey hide inside chair or something like cupboard. They carry them on top of motor, hide them. You can never know that they are passing their woman being there inside the chair there. You will not know inside that bus. You will never know that somebody is there. Na so they inside though. Na so the police come catch them, come tell say make them carry the things come down. As them carry those things come down, no, na so the police use something open the bus, so open those things where they see. So now human being dey inside, they are not dead though. Their eyes is open, chan. They want to cross border, is why they pack like this. Now as I see the thing, I say my people, no be say I no go, I for sure na the video, bet you know how for white o. I say make una use na eye do Christmas for una self o. Na so Eke come catch them o. I say Eke catch them, na say Eke say how una go pack people inside, you can't seal am, you can't be like this because they want to cross border to enter another Europe o, to enter Europe. My sister, my brother, abeg more dey take am easy. Anywhere where you dey, where God dey bless you, dey manage am, because that place where you dey go, you no know. God bless you all.